Let's start with this 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, and a half cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. And I have these 2 zucchinis. I sliced them like so, and I shredded them just like that. And then you put them in there all together. Boom, boom, boom. And let's have a first starter of mixing the dry ingredients. Now let's add our 1 stick of butter, melted, boom, and 1 cup of milk, 3 eggs, whisk, like so, and put them in there. I added some 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and of course, a 1 cup of that applesauce. It's gonna be so good. And then mix them all together, just like that. Once it's all mixed, just like so, put them in a sprayed pan of your choice and bake this in 350 degrees Celsius for 30 to 45 minutes. Like that. And I put a dash of a cinnamon sugar on top of it. I just make my own. So I will put a description or link below how I made my cinnamon sugar. And it's time to bake it. Now it is cooled and chilled. And let's have a taste test. Look at that, guys. So good, and it smells so good as well. You gotta try this. This is very yummy. And very, very moist, guys. You gotta try this. I love this zucchini bread for sure. And look at that. Isn't that looking scrumptious? You gotta try this. All right, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy.